As society today, we frequently hear of CV or resume being used or mentioned. But what is a CV? A CV is a summary of an individual's experience, educational background, and qualification. Why is it important for you and I to have a CV? A CV is our public relations officer. It gives the employer a first good impression about the employee. Having a CV ready all the time is important because it minimizes stress and saves time during the job search process. What are some of the qualities of a good CV? A good CV or resume should be visually appealing, that is, it should look good and should be error free. It should be grammatically correct, making use of action verbs. It should be vocabulary correct. Its description should be detailed, making use of adjectives and qualifiers. CV should also have a good flow, that is adequate order. CV and resume are often interchangeably being used, but are they the same thing? No. A CV is quite different from a resume. A CV is longer than a resume, which is usually just one page. A CV includes academic achievements like research, teaching, publication, grants, award. Meanwhile, a resume is made up of just a few personal projects. A CV is used in careers such as academia, teaching, and research, while a resume is used in the corporate world. When should you and I have a CV? Let's just be proactive. Create a CV immediately you engage in your education, such that each time you just tailor your CV to fit the job description or purpose. That was Ateh Vera on Best Tech, your best bet. Keep watching. Thank you.